Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to fix, how to solve various iOS issues and how to get your device back to a normal. Suppose for example, let's see here, your iPhone device has been stuck at the Apple logo whenever you switch on. So iOS is not functional. So in that situation, how you will make a functional? How you will solve this problem? There are the various kind of the feature in the software guys, but practically I will show you this problem how you will resolve of here by virtue of this software. The software is iPhone debug. This software has been especially developed for recover all the data, but also this feature has been given that you can solve the various kind of the iOS device issues. So let's see. Just I will open guys here. Download link I have given below the description box. Directly you can download it from official website, this software guys. Now see, I have a smart recovery feature. Also I have a feature of recover from iOS device, and the third option see here, the recover from iTunes backup also I can, and this one the recover from iCloud backup also. So on a last one I will come here, fix iOS system simply, and here just I will see guys. If you understand the standard mode means yes, fix white, yeah, the black color screen is the coming on your iPhone device, yeah, device is stuck on your Apple logo, yeah, the recovery mode, yeah, restarting loops, yeah, iTunes error, yeah, of course the brick iOS device, yeah, freezing screen, and not running on especially mode without data losses. So what you will do here, simply just you have to go for a standard mode, and you have to keep your iPhone device in DFU mode. How you will see different iPhone device have a different specified key to keep in recovery mode, yeah, in DFU mode. Especially at the present time I'm using a special iPhone 6, so there DFU mode key button is here. Just you have to hold the home button and press on off button, so it's going to off, then directly it will switch on and it will automatically go in, and especially DFU mode. So see, once again I repeat, DFU mode, just hold the home buttons and press the on off button until it's not coming Apple logo on not Apple logo, just iTunes logo on a screen, till don't leave, especially just keep holding the home button guys. So this device is in a DFU mode already, so see at the moment. Now I would like to solve this problem here. So my problem is at the moment here, Apple logo yes has been stuck to when I switch on this phone, this iPhone device. So how we will resolve of this problem, and how I will get especially back to a normal this device. So just simply I go to download this meter. See, this software is also giving option to select the manually and to start the fixing. So at the, see, if you would like to manually, then of course you can download the similar Vita that should be especially for this category of phone. So 12.4.2 of course I can download from IPSW website. Also I will show you that in another video how you will download from there. And see here, directly no need to go anywhere, just you have to start to download. So it has just started to download framework package. So see, I have already downloaded guys, so I'm not going to download at the present time, so because as we know that if I download, video will be lengthy. So just I will go back here. Now simply see guys, let me tell you other function also of this software. Simply here, after downloading, here the one buttons green color of course will be reflected here, and just you have to go for next, so it will start to cast and install of the iOS and the fix of the all kind of the iOS issues simply by clicking here. See here, I would like to show you also some feature that is very important for us. So just to see, it's not going to functional, just you have to exit from DFU mode, yeah, recovery mode. So how you will do, just you have to go for exit mode. Advanced mode here, if we understand, this is a similar here, similar feature has been given here, but I have to go back here and just I will go exit recovery mode. Just I will click here, so it has started to, my cell phone is see starting now, so it's exit, it's going to exit from the recovery mode now. So when it will on, it will catch the here and all the feature of especially this recover the from iOS device will be functional. So let's see when it comes in the normal. So it has started now, it's coming in normal. Fine. Now see guys here, just what I will do here, see guys, now just I will go for try again. Now I have already from the exit mode, so see what I will do here, see just I will come on a recovery especially the recover from iOS device, and just I will go for a start. So now it has the connected, just I will go for next. In the next especially see, if you would like to recover any data that you have lost, yes of course you can. For example, the message you would like to, yeah, call history, the contact in the WhatsApp, yeah, the WeChat, whatever the software is here, of course from there, if by mistake you have deleted the data, of course you can have easily by the software, for example of the WhatsApp data. So you have to deselect all the especially this ones, and just you have to keep for example, let's see here, see guys, I'm going to deselect the all, and for example let's see, deselect off. Now just I'm going to select this WhatsApp, and just I will go for a scan. So while you are scanning and preparing guys, your computer should be online of course, and that should be connected with the internet facility, otherwise it will not recover and it will take of course time. So see at the moment error is occurring, so because the device is not connected. So once again I will have to connect my especially this iPhone to a phone, iPhone to a PC. So let's see, and then I will do once again. Yeah, might be error due to especially server, and this is a remote area of course, so definitely here internet facility we are having the problem nowadays. So now it has started to prepare. So this is a way to recover all the data, that's the present. Here just I will come the smart recovery, let it stop first. In smart recovery also there are the various kind of the feature that has been they're given by the software developer in the software, but it has started to prepare to fetch all the data. So let's see what will happen. So any past data that you would like to recover, of course, because this software has been developed for the specific of the source kind of the reason, especially see my phone debug. So of course you can back once again. See now it has started to analyzing the data. So see guys here, just I will go back and I will stop it because video will be lengthy. So stop it, and I will come this smart recovery. Let's see what will happen. It's a saying, and don't worry, easy step to the recover your data. How? See guys, here we have the category to choose. Yes, how do you lose the data? Yes, the data has been lost, yeah, deleted data by accident. Yeah, especially factory reset as jailbreak. Of course, let you inform one thing guys, if you have a jailbreak of your iPhone device and that you would like to upgrade iOS in Horizon, by virtue of just clicking here, you can have here. Just let me go back here. Now this one's iPhone lost or the damage here, the brokens, and this is and stuck at the Apple logo, and the recovery mode loops back. So simply just you have to go for on iPhone fix system, and of course that I have shown you. Simply see once again standard mode, just you have to keep your cell phone in DFU mode, and DFU mode, that's a keep holding the home button and press the on button guys, it will automatically come the DFU mode. Now here let's come to once in the smart recovery. Now see guys here, iPhone locked by the forgotten password and others. Yes, your iPhone device has been locked, screen passcode. So in that situation, if you don't know, so in that situation, it's not a matter of anxiety, guys. By virtue of this software, of course, you can unlock easily forgotten passcode of any iPhone device. How it is? So just you have to click here and you have to go for start recover. So now see, once again I will go for next, and then simply you can recover that. Now see, I will come here. Yeah, otherwise see guys how you, another criteria to passcode unlock. See, simply I will go on here and just I will go for standard mode, and I will keep it in DFU mode, and after clicking just we will go to update, especially iOS. Yeah, just install, reinstall. Yeah, just you have to go for the flash of the iOS, and after flashing, of course, you will be able to enter your iCloud ID and the password, and you will be able to once again get opportunity to send it a screen passcode easily. So this is way 2. Now see guys, once again I will come the smart recovery, and let's see what are other features. So these features, see, stack add Apple logo, recovery mode, lobs back and the screen. So guys, they are the various kind of feature, and let you inform the one thing that if you would like to recover anything from iTunes backup, suppose your iTunes backup you have kept in your PC or laptop, and that's you would like to do once again backup in your iPhone device. Of course, just by clicking here, you have to select it from here. Just yes, iTunes backup the file from or the folder, recover data. Sure, from here you can. Now see, I can recover from iCloud backup also. Suppose here I would like to recover my data. Yes, my data from iCloud. So just I will select it, and just I will go for a start, and I will enter my Apple ID and the password. Of course, we can record all the data from iCloud also. So guys, as we know that I'm not going to show the practically of any, especially because having the time the problem, and also video will be lengthy guys, so that's why. But however, you need to any just practical, yeah, experimented videos on my channel of any feature of this software. Of course, I can upload according to your requirement and the query. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Keep watching.